We have a 2-pack solar shed pendant light. It comes with a nice larger solar panel and 2 lights with kelvins of warm, cool, and coolest. It also comes with 5 modes of lighting and a replaceable battery, and we're going to show you everything about this and take it apart and install it in under 5 minutes of time. Depending on where you want to hook yours up, let's open this bad boy up and get started. There may seem to be a lot of items on the table, but not really. You have that large solar panel with a black bracket that you're simply going to put on, and you're going to hang this anywhere where you get sun. You have a bolt that you're going to slide from the inside outside. You're going to place the bracket on with the washer, and then the lock washer on the outside, and then the wing nut. With each of the lantern's wiring, it is a DIN plug that you simply push in, solid, close it up, and everything now is IP rated, protected by the weather, the sun, the water, and so forth. Over here, there's a red blinking light. It'll show you that it's charging. We're gathering the sun. There is not a lot of sun today, but we're going to wait for the sun for a few days so we could fully use this. We have an on and off button. We have a remote control that goes through all the settings and features of the 4 to 5 modes that this unit has. You're given 2 AAA batteries. Place them into the holder the correct way. We have an on and off, a memory 1, 2, 3, 4, an automatic, a 30, a 60, 100%, a CW, an NW, and a WW. Those are the kelvins of the lighting. We have the light here. If we hit the on button, it's going to blink twice. You have an instruction guide that you can go over everything, and we're going to lay the panel down. We're going to turn the unit on by hitting the on button. We're going to put it on mode 1, which is motion, sensor, and dim lighting. It senses motion. It's going to light up. There's the second one over here. It's in the off position. So if we hit the on button, they both should light up. We hit the on button on the back. If it doesn't light up over here, there's the on button. A nice solid press. And there we are, on. Motion 2 is sensor with no dimming. So we keep it on number 2. When it detects motion, it comes on. With motion number 3, it's going to be hard to show you. It's 2 hours at 100% brightness, and after 2 hours, it's going to dim down, and motion and no dimming. Mode number 4 is going to be indoor daytime lighting, motion sensor, no dimming lighting. So stays off and motions. We keep it on automatic. It is on dusk to dawn at a certain level of lighting. We should be able to dim it down to 30%, 60%, and 100% of the 120 LEDs. These are the PIR sensors in the middle. This is the warm Kelvin, that is the cooler Kelvin. All the information provided right here for the controller and the modes. So all we need to do now is go outside, hang it up, leave it off for a sunny day, let it get a full charge underneath the sun, and we'll have... There's 5 screws. We're going to unscrew all 5 screws. You should be able to get the cover off when all 5 screws are off. There's going to be 2 screws here to get to the battery behind the LEDs. Carefully lift up, and you have 2 18650 batteries tied in and replaceable. We like to barbecue at nighttime, and I need to have a lantern right over my barbecue like so. And the other one I could set up by the umbrella, have wires, and maybe find another spot for the other side. Anywhere you want to put these. I'm going to put the solar panel on the porch. I'm going to adjust my angle, lay it down like so it could collect the sun all day. I hooked my other one underneath an umbrella. If I had a gazebo, a shed, a room, if I could just put the panel outside and put this inside a basement, this will light up the area all night long. And that's where this one is at. At nighttime, we talked about what the settings are, and we're just going to put it on the automatic and 100% from the warmest to the coolest. Well, this is warm. In the back over here, this is the coolest. You can see it lit up. And we underneath it, nice and bright. So you have an idea of cool and warm of the dual shed lights that you can put anywhere you want. I hope you enjoy the product if this is something that you are looking for.